Shot clock. Umikot. Nabitin.
3 seconds.
4 minutes remaining time.
3 seconds.
3 second shot clock. Good. How is the weight? To number 44. Oh! Fumble. Talaga naman. Football na. Kasama pang wrestling. Ang galing. Ang galing. Giniginaw na po ang ating scorer. Si Eddie Boy and the lover boy, Willie Boy.
Soup, 3 seconds.
Number 22, 44. Ala. Talaga naman. Forman ba yung Bomberang separate? Oh! Talagang maamo. Maamo sa butas. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Talaga naman. Haru! Nano yan? Number 9, Paredes. Oh.
Jump ball.
Sabrep. 27 out. Magsino kapatid in 41. 10 second shot clock. Aba. Oh, wala talaga.
Sige.
Number 44. Wala. Nice shot by number 44. One-on-one by number 25. Paredes. So Paredes, number 9. So number 25.
Oh, 3-6.
Oh!
Wala, sino nagan 3 seconds?
Number 22. Third personal foul. Number 22, third personal foul. We have a line by number 25. That's a bonus shot. Bonus trick for the driver. No basket. Number 14 to 22. 22 to number 08. Dinaanan sa gitna. Rebound by Paredes, number 9. To number 9, Paredes. Paredes. Op. Talaga naman. Ano yung bola? Napakadulas. Number 22. To number 44 sa ilalim. Wow! Talaga naman.
Bola!
Iniikutan sa ilalim. Paredes. Ang lahat ay nananahimik. Darating si Santa Claus.
Oh, tingin.
20 seconds shot clock. Remaining time.
Tingin sa katin.
Last 2 minutes. Number 18. Next portion is penalty. Next portion is brought to you by Hada Water Energy. Ready, Maya. Kap, ayusin mo yung tilon dyan sa saklaan mo. Baka dumaan si chairman na sa kabilang ibayo.
Magre-raid. Oo, palit.
Sabrep. Last 2 minutes. This portion is brought to you by Skyflex.
Oh, ba't di ba lang kumuha ng bula?
Number 14, Bradley Duval. To number 08, Scariote. To number 22, to number 4. Number 22, Mika Tickle. Nice shot by number 22.
Andiyan na.
Paredes. Number 25. Pagod na.
Jesus! Diretso! Nakalasot!
Nice shot by number 4.
Oh, harap! Ayan na!
Talaga naman. Paredes.
Oh, hoy!
Talagang mahigpit.
Mahigpit ang bola.
16 seconds shot clock. Paredes. 41. Magsino. 1 minute remaining time for the third quarter. Number 08 dribbling the ball. Number 4 to number 22.
Tira!
8 to 4. Magsino rebound. Receive the ball to 9.
Ah! Foul!
Number 7. Number 7, third personal foul. 35 seconds remaining time. Sub. Paredes, number 7.
Oras. 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Oh, 30.
Escariote receive the ball from number 22. Back to number 22. Back to number 08. Bumera. Oh!
Escariote, na-video yun.
2 points. Naka-apat. 15. Nice shot.
Oh, may oras pa!
14.
Oh, baba!
Oh, bigay mo kay Ryan.
Baba!
10.
10!
Patay.
Dito! Ay, kunin yung bola.
Tira! Open!
And ang good shot.